Welcome to this complete Parga Greece guide. Nestled along the Ionian coast, Parga is a vibrant gem, rich in history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. As we journey through this Grecian paradise, we'll visit the towering Parga and Pasha castles, explore the sun-drenched Valtos and Sarakiniko beaches, and stroll along the charming Parga Promenade. We'll also discover the serene monastery of Pasha of Acheron and take a scenic boat trip to Paxos and Paxos. Prepare to immerse yourself in the heart of Greek culture and beauty. Begin your journey with a visit to the historic Parga Castle. Perched atop a hill overlooking the town, this castle is a testament to the strategic brilliance of the past. Its origins date back to the 11th century, however. What stands today is largely a Venetian relic from the 15th century. The castle's strategic position offered protection against both land and sea invasions, a defense mechanism par excellence. Now it offers visitors panoramic views of Parga and the Ionian Sea, a sight that's as breathtaking as it is serene. The castle's stone walls and arches whisper tales of bygone eras, while the old cannons remind us of the battles fought here. Enjoy a leisurely stroll around this historic site, taking in the lush greenery and the azure sea beyond. A visit to Parga Castle isn't just about history. It's an immersive experience that blends the past with the present in the most captivating way. A visit to Parga Castle is a step back in time, offering a panorama that's truly a sight to behold. Next, head down to the stunning Valtos beach, a gem nestled in the heart of Parga. Picture a shoreline bathed in golden sunlight, the crystal clear waters of the Ionian Sea gently lapping at your feet. It's a paradise for sun worshippers and water sports enthusiasts alike. Whether you're up for a thrilling jet ski ride or a serene paddleboarding session, Valtos Beach has it all. Now imagine dusting off the sand and heading towards the bustling Parga Promenade. The air is filled with the enticing aroma of local delicacies from the nearby tavernas. You'll find yourself strolling past quaint shops, their windows displaying an array of colorful local crafts and souvenirs. As the sun dips lower in the sky, the promenade comes alive with twinkling lights reflecting off the calm sea surface, creating a spectacle that's nothing short of magical. Feel the sand between your toes and the warmth of Greek hospitality as you explore these scenic spots. Journey onwards to the magnificent Pasha Castle and the serene Sarakiniko beach. Named after the formidable Pasha of Tepelena, the castle is a testament to the rich history of Parga. A fortress of grandeur, it stands proudly overlooking the Ionian Sea, its stone walls whispering tales of past eras. A quick stroll around the castle reveals its strategic architecture, designed for both defense and living quarters. From the heights of history, we descend to the peaceful embrace of Sarakiniko Beach. This beach is Parga's tranquil gem, a perfect place to unwind. Its pristine white sands, gently lapped by the azure sea, offer an idyllic setting for relaxation and reflection. The distinctive rock formations add a touch of nature's artistry, making it a beach like no other. From historic landmarks to tranquil shores, Parga never fails to impress. A perfect blend of past and present, it's a place where every corner has a story to tell. Continue your adventure at the castle of Anthousa and the stunning Lichnos beach. Perched atop a hill, the castle of Anthousa whispers tales of yesteryears. Built in the early 19th century, it stands as a symbol of resilience and strategic brilliance, offering panoramic views of Parga, the Ionian Sea, and the islands of Paxos and Paxos. Now let's travel to the tranquil Lichnos beach, a hidden gem nestled between green hills and crystal clear waters. This beach is a haven for those looking for a serene escape. Its turquoise waters and soft sands invite you to bask in the Grecian sun, while the surrounding scenery encapsulates the natural beauty of Parga. From the historical echoes of Anthousa Castle to the tranquil allure of Lichnos Beach, Parga effortlessly weaves together a tapestry of rich history and stunning natural beauty. Immerse yourself in Parga's rich history and natural beauty. Next, embark on a tour of the mythical Acheron River and relax at Promenade Beach. The Acheron River, steeped in ancient lore, was believed to be the River of Woe, a passage to the underworld in Greek mythology. Today it's a serene haven where travelers can enjoy a leisurely boat ride, soak in the peaceful ambience, and let their imagination run wild with tales of myth and magic. From the mystical to the tranquil, we journey on to Promenade Beach. This main town beach of Parga is a charming spot with its inviting blue waters and a stunning backdrop of the Pangaea island. It's the perfect place to bask in the sun, take a refreshing dip, or simply enjoy a good book under the shade of an umbrella. Whether it's the allure of ancient myths or the allure of sun-kissed sands, these destinations offer a unique blend of history and relaxation. Experience the mythical and the magical in the heart of Greece. Visit the tranquil monastery of Panoramic and then set sail for a boat trip to Paxos and Paxos. Let's embark on a spiritual journey to the monastery of Panoramic. Nestled in the heart of Parga, this holy place exudes tranquility and peace. With its humble architecture and serene gardens, the monastery is a haven for those seeking solace and a moment of introspection. Here time seems to stand still, and the only sound you'll hear is the rustling of leaves in the wind, the distant tolling of bells, and your own heartbeats. This sanctuary of serenity is not just for the faithful. Even if you're not religious, the spiritual vibes of Panoramic can't help but touch your soul. It's a place where you can leave your worries at the door and soak in the atmosphere of calm and quiet. But Parga is not just about finding peace, it's also about finding adventure. And what better way to do that than by hopping on a boat to the islands of Paxos and Paxos? These emerald gems in the Ionian Sea are the epitome of Greek island beauty. With their turquoise waters, lush olive groves, and picturesque villages, they're a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. As your boat slices through the crystal-clear waters and the island's beauty unfolds before your eyes, you'll feel a sense of exhilaration that only comes from exploring new places. Find peace and adventure in these unique Parga experiences. Finally, take a leisurely stroll through the charming Parga Old Town. Here, every cobblestone path tells a tale. Each corner is a hidden gem, and every moment is a memory in the making. As you wander through these quaint streets, you'll feel as if you've stepped back in time, and yet there's a vibrancy that's distinctly modern. The town is peppered with small shops, each one unique in its offerings. From handmade jewelry, local art, and traditional Greek delicacies, there's a world of treasures waiting to be found, and if shopping isn't your thing, don't fret. The town's charm isn't limited to its stores. As you meander, you'll encounter a plethora of cafes, each one more inviting than the last. Whether you're in the mood for a robust Greek coffee, a refreshing iced frappe, or a delectable slice of baklava, you're sure to find a spot that hits the spot. And while you're there, take a moment to bask in the warmth of the Greek hospitality that's as delightful as the Mediterranean sun. But it's not just about the streets, the shops, or the cafes, it's about the atmosphere, the sense of history, the feeling of community, the vibrancy of life. This is Old Town Parga, a place where past and present intermingle, creating a tapestry of experiences that's as rich as it is diverse. From vibrant streets to quiet corners, Parga Old Town is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. And that concludes our guide to the beautiful Parga, Greece. We've journeyed through Parga's rich history with visits to the Parga Castle and Pasha Castle, reminding us of the powerful stories etched in their ancient stones. We've strolled along the enchanting Parga Promenade and meandered through the cobblestone lanes of Parga's old town, each corner revealing a new slice of Greek charm. We've soaked up the sun on the pristine sands of Valtos, Sarakiniko, Lichnos and Creoneri beaches, each offering a unique blend of azure waters and green landscapes. The castle of Anthousa, standing guard over the town, has given us panoramic views that took our breath away. Our adventure continued along the mystical Acheron River, a journey that felt like a step back into ancient mythology. The monastery of Panoramic, a beacon of serenity, offered a moment of quiet reflection amidst our explorations. And of course, we can't forget the exhilarating boat trip to Paxos and Paxos, where the beauty of the Ionian Sea unfolded before our eyes. Each of these 12 experiences offered a unique glimpse into the heart of Parga, a destination that effortlessly blends history, nature, and culture into an unforgettable tapestry. Whether it's the ancient castles whispering tales of the past, the vibrant beaches promising endless relaxation, or the charming old town inviting exploration, Parga is a destination that truly has it all. Parga beckons with its charm and beauty, offering unforgettable experiences and memories that will last a lifetime.